Welcome, today I'm showing how to change your icon shape into a Realme C33. First of all, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer application, this one. I am already downloaded and installing, so I tap open. You need to install this firstly. Now you need close ads because it's free application. And when you see this list, you select your application, what you wanna change. Maybe settings will be nice. Okay. Now from the library of your icon, choose something styles for this icon. Maybe this one. Okay, and now for saving this icon, tap here on the top right corner to OK button and wait a second for generating your icon. And then need close ads to maybe a few times. And now when we got this message, tap here add to home screen. Close this. And here we got success message that new shortcut has been added to desktop. Go to our desktop and here we got our new settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.